Hello, good day, guys. My name is Nick, technical analyst with SuperForex. Today, we shall be looking at the technical analysis on the currency pair USDJPY. And first, we'll be talking about fundamental analysis before we move right down to technical analysis, which is purely what we'll be seeing on the chart. Currently, we have seen that USDJPY leaks the Fed inflicted wounds at 6-week low under 131.00 as the yields have stayed weak for some time. USDJPY picks up bids to pair intraday losses around 130.80 amid early Thursday's morning in Europe. And in doing so, the yen pair bounces off a 6-week intraday move. And this, of course, portrays corrective bounce after a refreshing 1.5-month low during a 2-day fall. Now, yields remain pressured amidst a dovish Fed hike banking sector turmoil, while downbeat Reuters tank survey details comments from Citibank CEO seem to underpin this latest rebound currently happening. Now, we've seen that USDJPY picks up bids to pair intraday losses around 130.80 made early Thursday morning in the European session, and in doing so, the yen pair bounces off a 6-week low marked earlier in the day as traders seek more clues to extend the Federal Reserve induces moves. While adding strength to the corrective bounces could be the key, policymakers' rejections of the financial crisis as well as the downbeat details of Japan's Reuters tank survey. Now, the big Japanese manufacturers remain pessimistic about business conditions for a third straight month in March, while the closely watched Reuters tank survey showed early Thursday that the sentiment index for big manufacturers stood at -3, slightly up from -5 seen in the previous month, according to survey conducted March 8 to 17, as reported by Reuters. Now, what to expect from this? We are looking out for much more impetus, or rather momentum, for the upside. We are looking at a correction of this because of respect of the major support at 130 has been hit, and we are looking for a bounce back to at least 133.087. So what to expect from this? A probable push up to correct this, and this is at about 180 pips from that entry point, of course, which is good money. We could thereafter see a series of ranges before a full direction is shown. So anything a breakout from here could mean a new zone at the 135 zones. So what to expect? Entry at this point, 180 plus pips entry, and we can take our TP out from there. And that's our technical analysis on today's currency pair USDJPY. Now let's move over to the stock markets. Welcome back, guys. And on today's stock markets, we'll be having a look at McDonald's. And headlining, we've seen that Oatly Inc. deal to provide oat milk for McDonald's coffee drinks in Austria. Yesterday, we have seen that, or recently, we have seen that this has not been taken well by the market. And Oatly said on Monday it inked a partnership deal with McDonald's Austria, a unit of McDonald's Corp MCD, to offer barista edition drinks to McDonald's McCafe locations in Austria. Market call stories are a rapid fire, of course, because the short news burst on stocks and market as the more impetus is building on this. We don't really understand why this dent has happened, but we are looking out for a much more bullish move following the result of this news in coming months. So it's not a new thing that McDonald's has been having series of deals. And recent, this one with Oatly in Austria means that a fairly understandable result for the bullish run is yet to commence, and we are looking out for a breakout from this major support zone if possible, resistance zone if possible. But with a retracement in the market, we are looking out for at least 263.29 from that position. So what to expect from this? A push up and a new zone at 272.39, following whatever happens from this most recent news, which should signify 272.39, about 46 pips from that entry point, of course, which we should call good money. So that's our technical analysis on today's stock market, McDonald's. I remain your host, Nick. Bye for now.